Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we are going to be making an instant breakfast. Yum! Takes about 2 minutes, super easy and quick, and super healthy. And you make it with Idly batter. Super useful too. You're gonna add 2 cups of Idly batter, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds into a nice big bowl, green chili paste, and then you're going to add some finely chopped onions. Add a few extra if you want a bit of flavor. You're going to add some chopped methi leaves, some chopped coriander leaves, lots of chopped vegetables here, a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of soda, and you're going to mix it all together. And there, it's ready. It's all ready. Now you just have to put it on a pan and fry it. And boom, instant breakfast. Oh wait, not yet. You're gonna add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So mix that in. We want a lot of flavor in here, so we're gonna add a lot of different type of ingredients. You're gonna add a little bit of water if needed. It should be this consistency. Not too hard, but just the right consistency so you can turn it into like a dosa, kind of. Now, it's perfect. Next, we're just gonna mix it around for a minute, and then you're gonna put it in a hot pan and spread evenly. So you're gonna spread it all around. Make sure to make nice big ones, so add lots of batter in there. And done. Once you're spreading around, make sure it's nice and thick while you're doing it. You don't want it to be too thin or too thick, just a little thick. You're going to add a bit of oil around, and then you're going to close it with the lid and let it rest for a few minutes. After a few minutes, it should be kind of puffed up, just kind of. Now, you're going to flip it over and a flip. Now, you'll see the color on this side. You're going to add some oil on this side as well. You can also use ghee if you want. That's healthy too. And you're gonna also cook this side for a few minutes. And then done. Your yummy, yummy instant breakfast is ready. Super delicious. You're just gonna keep flipping it a few times until it's nice and crunchy and soft as well. And then put them on a plate and serve. Super healthy, super yummy, super delicious, and super quick instant breakfast. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm just gonna take it. This is so good. It is amazing. Wow, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and enjoy this tasty instant breakfast.